we meet again in part 7 of data handling, and we will be starting exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2 is about the pie chart, and we have learned what or how to read a pie chart and how to draw a pie chart from the given information. So let's begin with the exercise without wasting time. And this exercise is completely based on example 1 and example 2. So before starting with exercise 5.2, I hope you have seen part 5 and part 6, because it is very necessary to understand part 5 and part 6 before moving to part 7. So now let's begin with exercise 5.2, assuming that you have or you are well versed with part 5 and part 6. Exercise 5.2, the first question says that a survey has been made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. I have drawn the pie chart here. From this pie chart, answer the following. Now you have to study this pie chart and you have to answer the following. First question is, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So total, how many people were surveyed if 20 people liked classical music? Now here classical music, it is given 10%. So 10% is equal to 20 people actually. So you have to find how many total number of people were surveyed. We are not given here total number of people. Second question is, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Maximum number of people likes which type of music? You can see that the maximum part of the circle is covered by light music. And the third question is, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, total 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So this circle, they are saying that this whole circle represents 1000 CDs. If this whole circle, that means the total of 1000 CDs, then how many CDs for light music, how many for folk, how many for classical, and how many for semi-classical. So let's begin with the first question. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Total number of people were surveyed. You are asked total number of people. So here let the total number of people be equal to x, because we don't know what is total number of people. So now you assume that x. Now you are already given if 20 people liked classical music. That means 10% of x. 10% of x is equal to 20, because 10% is equal to 20 people, but 10% of the total is equal to 20. Now we have already studied in the lower classes how 10% of x is written. 10 upon 100 into x is equal to 20. I take this on the other side. Here it is multiplied. When it goes on the other side, it will be multiplied, but it will be inversed. So 20 into 100 upon 10, which is equal to 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and it will be 200. So total number of people which are surveyed is equal to 200. Once again, we don't know the total number of people, so assume x for total number of people. Now we are already given here in the pie chart that 10% of the total likes classical music. So what is 10% of total is x. So I have written 10% of x, and that is equal to 20. So 10 upon 100, I am removing the percentage sign and into x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 into 100 upon 10, 0, 0 cancel, 200. Now, which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? So, maximum number of people likes light music because 40% is maximum in this. Third question, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, so the total is 1000. How many of each type would they make? So 10% of 1000, 20% of 1000, 40% of 1000 and 30% of 1000. That is how. See, here we don't know. We had assumed x, so 10 of x we have taken. This is total number of people. Now instead of people, if they were to make 1000 CDs, then how many CDs would they make? Let's see in the next slide. So total number of CDs is equal to 1000. Now number of CDs for semi-classical. Semi-classical is 20%. So 20% of 1000. So 20 upon 100 into 1000, which is equal to 200. Now, I hope you have understood. Yes. Now, number of CDs for classical music. It is 10% of 1000. So, what would be the next step? Yes. 10 upon 100 into 1000, which is equal to 100. Now, here, number of CDs for folk is 30% of 100. Can you tell me how much? Yes. So, that is equal to 30 upon 100 into 1000. Now, number of CDs for light music is how much? What was it? 40%. So, will I write 40% of 1000? Yes. 40% of 1000. And what is 40% of 1000? Let's see. 40 upon 100 into 1000. 0, 0 cancel and that is equal to what? 400. Now to check whether my answer is correct or not, I should get the addition, sum of everything to be equal to 1000. 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 400, 1000. Yes. So my answer is correct. Let's move to next question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Which season got the most votes? So people were asked to vote saying which is their favorite season. Summer, rainy and winter. You are given 90, 120 and 150. So which season got the maximum votes? Which season? Yes, it is winter season. So, answer of the first question is winter season. Find the central angle of each sector. You have to find the central angle of each sector. Now, to find the central angle of each sector, we first need to find fraction and then the central angle, which I had already explained to you. How? That is, whatever is the frequency, divide by the total. So, total number of votes were 360. So, 90 upon 360 is equal to 1 upon 4. Then 20 upon 360 is equal to 1 upon 3. And 150 upon 360 is equal to 5 upon 2. And we multiply this fraction with 360 degree. So, 1 upon 4 into 360 is equal to 90 degree. 1 upon 3 into 360 degree is equal to 120 degree. And 5 upon 12 into 360 is 150 degree. Now let's see how to draw a pie chart from this information given below. How to draw a pie chart. Draw a circle of any radius. But see that your radius is little bigger so that you can draw a little bigger circle. Okay, don't draw a small circle like me. Draw a bigger circle. Okay. Now, after drawing a circle, center from the point where you had put your rounder, mark that as a center and then draw one radius. Okay, after that, After drawing a radius, suppose this is the radius I have drawn. First, mark 90 degree. Put a protractor. See that the middle, this point is on the middle of the protractor. And mark 90 degree. Then mark, again put the protractor here on this side. And mark 150 degree. After that, put the protractor on this side, this way, and mark 120 degree. This is how you will mark on the circle using the protractor. And this is how you will draw the pie chart. Let's move to question number 3. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Whenever we have to draw a pie chart, we need these two columns in fraction and central angle. Central A it is, there is a typing mistake, it should be central angle. Okay, now after that, first write down these two columns, colors and number of people. So blue, green, red, yellow, 18, 9, 6 and 3. Then find the fraction because total already is given to be 36. So 18 upon 36, you take first 18 upon 36 which is equal to half. 18 ones are 18 twos are. 9 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 4. 9 ones are 9 fours are. 6 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 6. 6 ones are and 6 six are. And 3 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 12. 3 ones are and 3 twelves are. Multiply these fractions with 360 degree and you will get central angle. So when you multiply, you get the angle 180 degree. 1 upon 4 into 360, you get 90 degree. 1 upon 6 into 360, you get 60 degree. And 1 upon 12 into 360, you get 30 degree. Now again draw a circle of any radius. Draw a little bigger circle. After that, put your marker center and draw one radius. Put your protractor and mark till 180 degree. Then again the protractor on this radius and mark 90 degree. Again put the protractor and then mark 60 degree and the remaining will be 30 degree. Automatically it will come to 30 degree. Now the next two questions we will be doing in part 8. Yes, we will be doing it in part 8. So till then you complete this in your classwork book.